Everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to make a software by writing in the Node.js. In the last couple months ago, I'm quite busy because I tried to some project and the customer requires to use the Node.js to make the programming. So, and after finding that, I see that the Node.js is also one of the really amazing language programming. So that I would like to show you, I would like to make the video that to show you the basic, the knowledge how you can programming in the Node.js. Okay, and okay, we can start for beginning to make the program. Also, you can find out in the internet that quite a ton of website that have show you how you can beginning to make the Node.js. But however, in my video, I will make parts some parts that you can try to understand for writing your program, your software in the Node.js. And actually, Node.js is based in JavaScript. So if you have a knowledge in the JavaScript, you can very easy to catch up the Node.js also. But however, I am on the most of time I use the Java and the C# or something for the programming, so that is the type of the OOP for you to written the software oriented programming. So that in the Node.js, because it's written in JavaScript, so it's very easy. It's not really easy for you to write JavaScript, because the JavaScript also you can make it like the structured programming. So that in this video, when I joined to the Node.js project, I feel that the JavaScript very hard for you to maintain your software, and something very hard for you to maintain software when your project for your software bigger and scalable. So that I find out another way to make our software for very more easy to maintain and very easy to read and maintain for something like that. So that I found out the TypeScript that very easy for you to integrate. You can integrate your TypeScript and Node.js together, and after that you can very easy to maintain, because TypeScript is the one of the type of written by using the class and type of the OOP programming, so that it's very easy for you. So today I will show you how to integrate how to use the Node.js, how to programming in Node.js by using the TypeScript, and also using the inversity for the dependency injection. Okay, let's start. Okay, at first you can make the folder to your software Node.js. Okay. Okay, nothing in here, and you can go to the Visual Studio Code for here. Okay, you can see. Okay, right now everything is empty, so that we can init for the basically you need to initialize your folder for initialize the Node.js. Okay, and you just hide this one. Okay, and depend on your ramming, you can type your packet name, but I can keep it and make it default. Okay, version, description, no need. Yeah, entry point or something. Test. Okay, you can make everything is default. After you do this one, you will see that the packaging. The packaging is one of the file that it will keep the for your package. Keep for your package when you programming because you know in the Node.js most of the time we need the most of the library. It is called package. So that if you want to use any library package, you just everything just keep in the package.json file here. Okay, and after that, because you know our application will be used to write the language by using the typescript, so that I would like to init the typescript also. You can use this one. Okay, and after that it will generate for use the TS configuration files. This will have a lot of options that you can tell the compiler, the TypeScript compiler, which option you want to use for in here. So that in here I use, because right now most of things you can find out in the internet about each option what it do. It's very easy for you, but in this video I don't want to talk more deeply in this one. Just use it. Okay, and six. I would like to use the library. Maybe you can use six, and also I like to use them. Okay, and also I like to use the shook map. Shook map, you need to care about this one, because if you want to show to make the debug on the your Visual Studio, you need to use this one. Okay, I will show you later how can you debug on the Visual Studio in the Node.js. It's very easy, but later. Okay, and out there I would like to our distribution, and I like to just go through, and maybe can use this one, noon check. Yeah, many options in here, and you can see URLs. Okay, in here our shortcode will keep in the source file here, and I don't think I use this one, and maybe you can use this one, and also I like to use the versions JSON module, and also I like to make this one. Okay, it means that every JSON TS file included, and also include a JSON. Okay, and after that you can save. Okay, and right now after you make your TS configuration, and you need to right now you need to install your package in here for your packet. Okay, I would like to make the install for TypeScript. Yeah, you just install the TypeScript package, and after that you can install the Express. You know, the Express is the bucket that you can very easy to make your programming in the pattern of the MVC pattern, where it's very easy for you to the pattern that you can programming for your software. Okay. Um, okay, here, and now I think more pockets here. The time pockets in here, you can see the time here. The times mean the TypeScript for you. TypeScript, the TypeScript. Maybe you can note ts not more. Okay, TypeScript also. It will go through the internet and download your packet. Depend on your network, it will faster or longer or slow. I don't know. Depend on. Yeah. Okay. And more bucket. I think right now I will use the pocket inversify. Okay, and now we can just set up the pocket, install the pocket inversify-express. You test and logger middleware. Okay. Maybe I typed wrong name or something. Yeah, inversify. Okay, sorry. Yeah, and after that you can see in here this one. I would like to use the inversify because it's very strong for you to programming for the IOC dependency injection. I love it. Yeah, and after that maybe more bucket, helmet for security, and maybe okay, and maybe yeah, very black. Yeah, I think right now is the for basically you can use this is for your project. Yeah, just basic. If you want to use more Parquet, you can find out in the internet because right now you know Node.js is quite big, enormous programmer for support for the Node.js, and you can use this one. Yeah, Node.js. Okay. Okay, right now I think it's okay for you. Okay, right now we will build a very basic for the MVC for you for our application. As first, I would like to create a folder source. Okay, and in here I will try to make a folder like yeah, I will try to make the UIs, and in here I will keep the controller file. Yeah, you can see. And but however, as first you need to build your server. To build your server, and I would like to make a file server here. Okay, more because we use the typescript, so that every file every file we add in here is just .ts. It means the typescript. Okay, and let I think maybe I try to maybe I will use the okay, maybe I need a bootstrap. I need to bootstrap to run everything inside for the first time running, so that I will create a folder for infrastructure, right? And after that, I will use the bootstrap in here. I like to use the bootstrap. Okay, and in here I think master bucket, when you want to try to use in the TypeScript Node.js, just import it. Yeah, example I like to check. Reflect here. Maybe this one you don't need to just import. And also, I would like to export the bootstrap function here. Export the async function bootstrap. And in here, maybe because we try to use the IOC, so that maybe we can use the module. Turn the module, and maybe we need to import it. And inversify. Container and container module. To understand more about the inversify, you can go through the internet, and after that you can search for this one. It's a ton of website to show you how to understand more about the inversify in here. Okay. Okay, and right now I think maybe I try. You can use start lock. Maybe I. Bootstrap running. Start. Maybe. And right now you can because you use the bootstrap, so that I like to container. Okay, container, and we ask the input for our application. Maybe our application first, so that not ready. If our application not running yet, it means not in part of container. We need to maybe you can initialize your running here. Okay. Maybe I will try new folder here. I say the domain because you know in our application most of if you build for the basic you can do very simple any file everywhere, but however because if your most of our application, our software is bigger and scalable in the next future when you run it, please try to design the pattern for this one. It means that you can design the pattern that for you to easy to maintain your application. So in here I will try to understand. I will show you how to you can find out in the internet about the domain DDD. Okay, domain pattern for programming, so that I try to maybe domain and constant. Okay, and right now I try to use the more type. Okay, and you can export the type. And I like our application is simple for here, and I would like to define type in here. Okay, and you can see, check this one. Yep. Yeah, very easy in here. Okay, let's continue for running the order like at first maybe you can load your module channel load and after that you make your server running with an inversify-express server. Okay, need import. In here, yeah, very easy, right? And after that you can set the configure for your server. And in here maybe you can use the set tag yeah, and also don't use this one. Body parser URL adjacent. extend to, okay. And maybe more about the helmet for security, basic security. Actually, it will generate out for you, but it's okay for like this one. This is the statement in the driver, and maybe it's okay. And after, if the error, what you use the error, set error configure. If you have something, if error, you can use this one to log on the error out. Maybe log. Okay. And after this one, you can make your application by build a server. And after that, you can listen on the port. I don't know what's port, maybe maybe 999. Yeah, I think so. And after that, you need to buy your application in the IOC also. Express. Just okay, we import it later. And type. And you can return our application. Yeah, and if it already by, just running it. Get our application and return. Yeah, very easy. Maybe you can I like to change this one as yeah, the same for this one. Yeah, you can see everything is done in here. Yeah, I think if you try to build, you need to do the command in the bucket JSON in here, because right now we don't have any command, so that we need to the command in here to build, to run, and so on. So that I try to build. If you want to build our lab application, you need to make the build command line, and you use the typescript to build. And if you want to run for the dev, you can use the notmon. Notmon that when you run and you combine, it automatically to recombine your application again and run while you're running. And ts not for run, and after that you run your file and maybe server. Yeah. And if you want your product running, maybe you can run the npm run build first, and after that you run stock. And if you run the stock, you have the stock, you can use the nodejs. After you compile your application, it will generate in here, and every file will be changed into the JSON after compile. Okay. So right now, yeah, you can try to build it if have something error or not. Run build. Yeah. Okay, you can see after you compile your file, it will generate here. Every your file in here will be generated in the in the JavaScript. Okay. Yeah, a lot of things. Your server right now. Okay, and let's try. Let's try the server file to create the server file. Okay. And I like to import the bootstrap in here. In face structure, bootstrap, trap, and okay, I try to use the maybe the model IOC to create the container. Okay, new file, and I like to try IOC container. And I container. Yeah, and I like, sorry, to export our container. Okay, and in here, in here. Import. Oh, where my IOC? Oh, it's wrong. Should be in here. Sorry. Yeah. container. Okay, and I think it's okay. Okay, and in here I will try to run our application function and run application. Yeah, can run our bootstrap. And in here I think you just pass in here, and if you had a module in here, I think we need to create a module registration for the further use in future. Okay, maybe I need to. Okay, in here I think you need to. In here also you call the controller in here, and also your service and module need to make the DI. You also need to put in here is module. Yeah, in here container module. Yeah, and you can buy it. And repository. Buy in here. Okay. Later I will show you how to buy this one. But and first you can I think just this one. Okay. And in the server you can yeah. And okay, just two parameter and just yeah, it's okay. And after that try to build again, check to success or not. Yeah, it's fine. More files generated here. Okay, that's just set up, and in here you don't have anything to run. So that right now we will try to create another file that maybe the basic file for controller for call in here. Okay, and I would like to create a controller, yeah, in here, and I don't know what file, new file, and maybe you can have a user, I think, controller. Okay, and very easy for you. Okay, and just you can export the last. Maybe you can use the user controller. Okay, and right now very easy for you. You just create a API. Maybe you can say hello. Just say hello, and we will return very easy for you. Hello everyone. Nice to see you on. Okay. And if you want to run this one, you need to make this one as a controller by use the inversify attribute in here. Controller. Yeah, just type, and maybe this is the path for you to your application. The API path. Maybe you can use the V1 API, and you just type a user, and maybe you can say say hello. Sorry, just this one only. Just this one. And and your API path will be, maybe we can use the get stp get. So what happened? Yeah, I like to use maybe here and say hello. Yeah. And right now, because you use this one, it's confirmed the inversify expression, so that I need to import controller http get, and from inversify it, yeah, this one. Yeah, you don't need to see later it will change. Worry. Okay, and in here maybe, yeah, with the basic. With basic for API, you can just in here, okay. And right now in the, you need to call the controller import, and you just UI and user. You need to do this one, otherwise it will have an error because you don't have anywhere to call the controller. You need to use the controller by the controller in here. Okay, and we run build again to see what happened. Okay, and right now I think it's enough. I think that is enough for this one. No, we need to call this one. Sorry. Turn our application first, and after that, we need to call our application to run. We just define in here, but we haven't called it anywhere, so that we need to call it. Yeah, await run app. Okay. If you like, maybe I like use this one. If you like, you can export. Okay. Check again. Bootstrap in the Bootstrap. Can use this one just by the module. See its container to set the configure to use the body buzzer and the helmet. Yeah, just basic. And the port you run is 999. Yeah. Okay, build again. Okay, and right now we can try to run it by using build already by using this one. Okay, and we run that to see what happened. Yeah, running error. Why? Maybe I need to log in here to see. Import. Sorry. 999. To see if this go through in here, maybe just a lock something. Yeah. Okay. Just because it's just locked. No, nothing. Okay. Right now, try to run the pork in here by using the. You can use the your browser to use it. Okay. Try this one. HTTP localhost, and you run the 999 9 v1. Maybe you can try tracker there. Yeah, this one. And you can try to say hello. Yeah, nicely done. Okay, you can see in here. Yeah. Okay, just basically for today, so that I would like to ending this video and see you for the next video to that we can go deeply for the our lab application. Maybe you can in the next video we can go through file using the MongoDB for as our database, and after that we use the pattern for repository and services to make it running more better. So that thanks a lot for your watching. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. See you next time.